Hello guys. Maglalaro pala tayo na MM2. Ito, nalaro ko tong classic event. Maganda daw to, kaya sunod na natin laruin. Next video. Sige, bye-bye. Joke lang.
Ha, joke lang. Joke lang yan ang kaibigan ko.
Sa let's play. MM2. Loading datas. Datos. Lotas. Lotas. Uy, may perfect line dito. Oh. Sige, ano yung ano natin? Please. Please. Oh. Ay. Oy. Baga. Oy. Baga. Kailang yan. Bra. Murder ka, nanalo ka. Sa akin, 10 times. Dapat sinikret ko na lang. Hindi ko muna pinakita. Ba yan? Na okay lang yan. And are you okay? Uy! Moonwalk. Pop, nice, look back. Pop, ay hindi. Ano pala ito? And are you okay? Okay. Uy. Uy, recovery tayo dito. Magpapanggap tayong patay. Uy. Sige, barilin mo ako para mamamatay. Ano ba, Stacy? Doon na nating Gael.
White. Rare egg toy. What's inside the egg toy?
This kind of things.
Man, I wish my mom could buy me 1,000 Robux.
I wish I have Robux. Oh, I can buy a knife. Let's buy a knife.
Okay.
Try natin rainbow. Ay, wag ganit. Ano lang naman sa akin. Napaka-useless sa akin.
Go ka na, please. Okay.
Ay, please. Makakuha tayo maganda. Para ka sa crush mo. Ano ba yan? Hindi kayo magkaka-crush. Common nakuha ko, common crush lang makuha mo.
Grabe na ito.
Joke lang.
Grabe.
Chill lang kayo.
I'm Gab's friend.
Tingnan nyo na lang yung sa shorts. Playing with my friend. Yun. Yung makikita nyo na lang.
Naggawa siya ng video ng yung ako at saka si Gab naglalaro eh.
Okay. Nothing suspicious doon.
Yan natin.
Sige na.
Oh my bro got some murder! Bro
Madam Mystery.
Yeah, but keep
King
it
Jay
as a
Hong
secret.
Hoi Hey. Hong Hoi Jay Hong Hoi Hong Hoi.
You. Oh. Gab, you have throw knife. I'm good at throwing knife. Ready to
Nagulat ako dun. Ayan. Nakakainis talaga. Nakaka-bad trip.
Grabe.
Oo, minabuli na ako. Alam mo.
Nino.
Yung sino pumatay sa akin. Ito, Epal. Okay lang yan. Huwag kayong magalit. Kalma lang kayo. Tapos okay lang yan kahit mag-camp sila. Tips ko lang to. Pag mag-camp sila, pabayaan nyo. Mananalo pa rin naman kayo. Huwag yun muna kunin yung baril. Mauubusan naman sila ng time eh. Yung okay lang yan sa'yo. Kuha kayo ng mga pera. Eggs. Kasi Easter event naman ngayon eh. Please! Ano ba yan? Kay Hong Hoi Shanghai. Hong Hoi Hanjay. Hong Hing Hong Hoi. Hong Hing Hing Ja. Oy 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 oy. Ay, oy, 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 mama. Celebrity, alis ka dyan. Gara, tinrap ako eh. Iya, okay lang yan.
Grabe.
Tignan natin
na.
yung egg hunt.
Egg hunt?
Sayang. Uy, cool. Try natin makakuha ng cut knife. Hanggang Matrix. Maganda sila eh. Kasi sana makakuha ng flaming knife.
Flaming
Ganda
knife.
to eh.
Yung gusto ko sana eh. Gab. Pa. Tingnan mo niya emotes. Emotes, oh. Can you check the emotes? No, I mean, at the shop, emotes. Yung babarito ko yung saan na yun ulit? Ayan yung dab.
I want the ninja ref. Kasi pwede ka mag no clip.
Oh.
If you do that, you can no clip anywhere.
Yeah, but one problem, you could fall.
Yeah. If you're not... Why do you like the dub? And I like the clap dub. You can clap them. If they touch it, it will explode. So you will know who popped it. No, you will not know. Let me see who's the Oh, I'm third place.
Third place. Yeah, I kinda want...
Yo.
Si Baka.
Oy, bawal yan dito. Bawal yan.
Okay.
Bawal yan dito sa laro na to. May secret pala dito.
Oh,
Kaya
may
papasok
secret
ka lang. May knife ko na pinasok.
Hindi ko sasabihin na ano sinasabi ni
Munti ka daw sheriff dun eh. Paborito ko to. Paborito kong map pala.
I'm not saying the word. Hindi ko
Hindi
sasabihin yung word kasi prove it. Hindi ko i-spoil. Ano ko spoil?
Go yan.
You can hide inside the trap.
No, you won't see easily.
Oh. Oh.
He will trap you. They will trap you. When you're trapped, you cannot get out. Then they'll kill you.
Yeah,
Wait,
that's true. Hey, that's an Easter egg.
No.
Are you gonna get it?
Go. No. Ayo, Viri. Babo. Suki, say, Suki.
Gab, alam mo ano tawag dun? Jumping break. Parang siya ang...
Oy!
Oh, damn. You just jump.
Yo, ano ba yan? Naabot pa rin lang knife. Sayang. Oy, batuin mo yan. Ayak! Ikaw na naman isa, youth. You're the best. Oh. Yung nanalo kasi siya yung top eh. GG.
Oh, sorry.
Tuturuturu. 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 Meron pala dito mga magkakaibigan. Itong isa, itong dalawa. Pati itong si You're the best. Kasi sila, alam ko magkaibigan yan sila.
Oh,
Alam ko kung paano nalaman. Siyempre, tingnan niyo.
Gab, do.
Ay, si Paul.
Gab, don't you know this is for just 5
Oh,
pesos,
you're
right?
in
God, di
the
ba 5
deep
pesos lang to?
there. I got the robot egg.
Gab, alam, di ba 5 pesos lang to?
Yes.
Bibilihan sana kita nito, pero sabi ng mama ko bawal. Sa susunod na lang, bibilihan kita.
Thanks.
For a real best friend. Anong kulay gusto mo?
Ano nga mga kulay doon?
Ano meron pink at saka orange. Nakalimutan ko mga iba, parang may blue.
Yeah, blue. Blue.
Baka sold out yung blue, pero titingnan ko na lang.
Okay lang yung kahit orange. Okay lang.
Sige.
Except pink. I'm not
Me too.
Oh!
Wait, Gab. Gab, dyan mo siya ka na.
Kaya ako yung matters, hindi ko lang gusto pink. Kasi pa ano naman, babae yun.
True.
Plasma blade. Sana all ang ganda. Ashley ganda. Dami mga nagtatagalog. Ayoko na sabihin yung ano ko. O nga pala nasabi ko na. Tara, factory tayo. Factory.
Factory.
Yan.
Factory.
Factory.
Bro, stop swearing. Just kidding.
Factory. They're just the same. Factory. Oh, no. Go! Oy, na naman. Mamasita.
Ay,
Mamasita. Murder na naman
Gab,
ako.
an easy way.
Mama.
Easy way how to defeat a murderer when you're a sheriff. Gab, bakit yung mga murder tinatarget mo na ang sheriff?
Para mahirapan sila.
Gab, I bet you're gonna win. Gab,
Yeah, thanks.
welcome.
Let me try winning this round.
But what's the sheriff though?
I don't know. Bro.
Bro, you're... Oh, did you win?
No, not yet.
I thought she's the last guy. And she's the last girl. Oh, I bet it's the last.
Win it, Daisy. Raise your eyes, girl. Oh, GG's. Yo, what's happening? GG. Walang makakakuha ng baril. Last guy eh. Ah, sige, hotel naman tayo. Maganda yung hotel. Pwede ka dun mang trick ng player. Mahirapan sila dun.
Saan ba't ka nagkakok? Meron ka chicken pox?
Daisy. Nahawaan ko.
Hinawakan mo si Sam?
Hindi lang sa hinawakan. It will spread in the air too. But I don't think if you're immune, you'll just see. If you get infected, you're not immune. Your immune system is not strong. So eat a lot of vegetables. and
Parang-
meat.
Para
Because
maiwasan
they give vitamin C.
para maiwasan mo yung chickenpox infection. Yeah. Good thing I eat vegetable. Nah, ain't no way I'm getting a chickenpox.
Pork.
If you touch someone that has chickenpox, what will happen to you?
Oh, let me. No. I'll become dead.
Nah, blood.
Ay, gara yun. Gara na yun. It's not cringe.
Yeah. Yeah. R.I.P. I'm not sleepy mode again.
Yo, camper. There's a camper in my bedroom and I'm ready to save you all.
Bro, pag tinatry nila pa tayong knife sa'yo, ibig sabihin ikaw ang target. Well, man, I wish I'm good at edit and make animations. What about you? Gab, hello? Sige. Did you get the gun, Gab? Gab? Oh yes, you got the gun, right? You got the gun. Good. Oh, mobile.
Oh, damn.
You almost
At the top.
Gab, you almost win.
It's so hard to aim because I'm in mobile.
Yeah.
And I cannot even control how to use PC because I'm using mobile. I wish if my mom and my dad.
If I'm at laptop, I can just shift and then shoot the murder easily.
Yeah. This is gonna be the final game. Then please don't forget to like and subscribe in our video for next video. What? Oh yeah. Just subscribe for our next video, guys.
Yeah. What part 2?
Oh no, it's okay.
If you guys want part 2, like and subscribe for my
Oh,
friend.
yo, ba't mo ako sinusundan?
Yeah, they can say. Just kidding.
Yo. Eyo, oyamugama, uyama, gama, gui, gama, yama, guma, gama, gama, yumbesai, yo, mishavai, yo, Mia mama, yo, lady, Emma, abasai, I love you, I don't know, emoji, I'm not those emojis, Mia tumare, need to establish somebody, let me establish yo, Mia tumare, need to establish somebody, the truth like me blue, the ordinary. Yo, sorry, I love you, Christmas time.
Are you guys the only people?
Yeah, only 3 of us.
Like and subscribe, do not forget. Because my friend is trying to reach 1K.
Yo, there's a camper in my bedroom, man. Oh, you crazy. Daisy. There she is a camper too. Okay, this is the final video. Okay, bye guys. Bye, bye, bye.
Remember to like and subscribe because my friend is trying to reach 1K.
Okay, bye, bye guys. Bye, bye.
Bye.